What's going on, everyone? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ariel Diaz and I do some unboxings. I like to travel, I like to do a lot of fun things, so my channel is always doing something different. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Beats Pro, and I'm gonna show you guys my new running shoes. I've been doing a lot of workout lately, so I needed some running shoes because the ones that I have are pretty beat up. So I got these on sale at Model since they're closing down, and I'll show you that first since it's pretty simple, and then we'll get to the Beats Pro. So here we have from Nike. They just had a huge sale, so why not? So these are Nike's running shoes. I'm assuming they have a name. Before I show you guys, they are called Nike Downshifter. Number 9. So Nike Downshifter 9. So they're pretty simple. They're black and white. So that's pretty cool. And the cool part, I thought it was really cool. It says Nike running right in the bottom there. Let me try to focus that there. So it's pretty, it's simple. It feels comfortable. I haven't used them yet because I just got them. But I will be using these, and if you guys are interested, hopefully they still have these left, but Modell's is closing. So if I were you, I would get there. Sales are running out really fast. Everything's 80%. Footwear, workout stuff, etc., depending on what they have left in the stores. And then this is the bottom. It has a decent amount of cushion inside, but yeah. So these are them. Obviously 2 pairs. They're pretty cool. So I'll keep you guys posted on these sneakers and see how they feel when I'm actually running. All right, another shoe unboxing. This is Kat's new trainers that she got for her workouts that she's doing at home. They're pretty awesome. They're from Nike, and she doesn't know that I'm showing this to you guys, but she'll be fine. And I'm gonna show you guys this as well, especially for any females that are looking for nice trainers. These are, let me read the name before I show you guys, Air Max Bella TR, and they have a little cool nice design. So it's like a pink and yellowish with some black. The back is pretty sick. You see the design there. And now obviously I'll put these sneakers down in the links, but these are pretty cool as well. They feel similar to mine, but yeah, these are really cool looking, like the little design that it has. But yeah, so she's gonna be using these at home while she's working out, and she did a lot of research for these, and they're pretty good for her feet. Especially when you have that arch that sometimes it hurts you and everything, but these are really good for them. She really highly recommends these. Yeah, she read all the reviews and they were good reviews, so she just got these in today. And yeah, that's pretty much it with hers. I like the little bubble in the bottom. It's pretty sleek. I think these are fancy. Should definitely get this if any of you females, if you're watching, are in the market for some new trainers. These are pretty cool. Now, can they do the job? We shall see. I'll let you guys know from Kat's experience with them when she uses them. So that's it on that. Now to the Beats. For the main event, before I unbox the Beats Pro, just wanted to let you guys know that I did have the AirPods Pro, and don't get me wrong, they are amazing for workouts because I'm super into working out right now. When I was running, the ear tips will get really sweaty and then they will start kind of falling out. So as I'm running, like I wouldn't stop, I would just push them in. And it was getting to a point that I was like, you know, I know the next headphones that are really good that are in the market and they are on sale for $199 are the Beats Pro. I decided to get that for working out. So again, the AirPods Pro are really good, but I wouldn't recommend them for working out. Hold on, let me rewind. I would recommend those and they're fine, but if you're running, I wouldn't recommend them for running. So these are the ones that I would recommend if you're running, doing a lot of extensive workouts, if you're moving a lot. PowerBeats Pro. And I got the all black versions. And the cool thing about these is that, and I'll show you once I open it, they go around your ear, so it's hard for it to come off. So let's quickly get to this unboxing. First, I'm gonna just read off what's on the side of the box. So it says battery up to 9 hours, wireless play, 24 hours with charging case, so it's pretty good. Sweat and water resistance, adjustable secure fit ear hooks, which is what goes around your ear, and on-ear controls for music and calls. So you can control your phone calls if you get a phone call as you're working out, and you can control the volume as well. And they sync really seamlessly, and I like the image that it shows when you connect to your iPhone. It's like a little nice animation showing you that you're connecting them and all that stuff, all that good, cool stuff. So in the back it says totally wireless, high performance Bluetooth earphones with charging case and lightning cable. And these are by Apple, so you can use them with your iPad as well. All right, now let's unbox this. It's a little nice box. I'll probably will save it because I normally tend to save all my products boxes for some reason. It's hard for me to let things go. And I just noticed, I came home as soon as possible. I got these in and I wanted to unbox this for you guys. So I'm in my scrubs. So if you guys didn't know, I'm a veterinary technician at a clinic in the city. So it's been really busy lately. So yeah, that's why I'm dressed with my scrub, just in case if you guys were wondering. So this is the, looks like a huge capsule. I'll put this in the side and we'll see what else is inside the box. Wow, very simple. You got your charging cable, which is, I love that it's black. See that? It's lightning. You could potentially charge your iPhone with this as well because it's lightning, but soon all Apple products will be USB-C, which is awesome. So I can't wait for that. And we have multiple earbuds. So depending on your ear, you can change. I think there's a settings just like the AirPods Pro, but it shows you, it makes sure, sorry, that's the dog. The dog is trying to eat her food and the cat is not letting her, so she's like whining. Anyways, so once you're connecting your PowerBeats Pro onto your phone, it will basically let you know what size fits right for your ear, which is pretty cool. So I have 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. I think for the AirPods Pro, I was a medium, so hopefully that's the same fit. And then you got some PowerBeats Pro, booklet, and it tells you how to properly pair them, yada yada. And this is cool. It comes with a Beats sticker. I love stickers, so you can't beat that. You know Apple loves their stickers. All right, so that's it. Charging cable, earbuds, you can swap them whenever you want. And now for the moment that we have all been waiting for. Put this to the side. So here we are. It's pretty big compared to the AirPods Pro. Wow, it just looks sleek. So we'll see that. I'll take them out. Oh my god, the magnet in here is insane. It feels very premium and like really nice. So automatically when you put them in, it just literally the magnet, I can feel it before it even touches it. So it just sucks in the PowerBeats in here as well. So a little bit, I gotta get used to putting these in. But anyways, they're pretty small. Show you guys. I don't know if you can get a, but yeah, small. Now let's put that in. It already actually has an earbud. I wonder what size that is, but let's see how it feels. I thought it was gonna be bigger because all the videos that I've been seeing on YouTube, they just seem bigger. But I feel like when you get products in person, things are kind of different. So let me show you guys a little bit close. So that looks pretty cool. And black, I mean, goes with everything. And they also, for the spring, they added some new colors. And I'll put them in the links down below, but they come with a lot of different colors. The ones I remember are like a navy blue, black, white, red, and this like army green. And then they have like a light pink and some other colors. I think like a sky blue. But yeah, so I'm gonna try these out. Pretty cool how the little bee is on the headphones. That's pretty sleek. Yeah. So these, let me put the other one just to. So they feel good in the ear. Not bad. I'm gonna try out some music real quick. Don't mind me if I sound loud because I have the earphones and I'm probably shouting out. Sorry. I'm gonna quickly pair this and I'll be right back. So right now I'm pairing them, and this is what I was talking about the animation. So once you open the PowerBeats, you see on your iPhone, nice animation. And then you want to hit connect. Like I said, the same thing as your AirPods. So right now it's connecting. Now it's showing that the PowerBeats headphones are 76% and the case is only 26% charged. So when that shows up, you just hit done and then you should be all set up. I'm gonna try a quick workout track that I normally use. Gotta get used to putting this over my ears, but I know that it's not gonna ever fall once I'm running. All right. Ooh, it just automatically started playing. Okay, that's smooth. Wow. It sounds really crispy. I'm probably screaming. I apologize. I just gotta figure out I think the volume is on the left piece. So, oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Yep. So you have your up button, your down button, and I think there's a tap or button. Okay, so on the left here, there's where the B is. You press it and it pauses it. So I pressed it, it's paused, and you press it again, and the music starts playing again. Now let's see what this side has. Oh wow, that's weird. So this side has the volume as well. I guess it's good. And then there's a button. The same thing. I guess there's no tapping mechanism. This also, I'm gonna pause it right now. So if you hold on to either or of the sides where the B is, you can ask Siri, hey, call whoever, or look up anything. So I'm gonna try that now just to make sure. Oh, she's listening to me now. I didn't press her yet. All right, I'm gonna try it now. Hey Siri, call Cat. See, it's calling her. And I'm gonna hang up real quick. So basically you just press and hold for like 2 seconds and then you'll hear Siri and then you just ask her what you need help with. Okay, so you can pretty much use it for anything, open up whatever you want. So that's pretty cool. This is awesome. I'm excited. I can't wait to use this on my morning run. I mean, these will be my headphones that I'll be using. I have other headphones that I'll be using like when I do start flying and traveling. But yeah, these will be my main headphones. So pretty simple unboxing. I'll keep you guys posted and let you guys know if it's worth getting. And I'm sure it is, because so far the experience is really good, but the real test is actually using them outside. So yeah, that's pretty much sums it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And let me just take these out, put them to charge. This is Ariel Diaz, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.